You will never throw the used chopsticks in the trash again, since today I will teach you an incredible idea that few people know to reuse these plastic pieces. To begin with, I will take about 10 units of plastic chopsticks or straws. Now I will take a glass container, and with the help of a scissors, I will cut the chopsticks into small pieces so that they are very small. Tell me below what these plastic pieces are called in your country. In my country, they are called sorbet. Once cut, the next thing we will need is a piece of waxed paper, which is well known and used for baking. Next, I will take the container with the chopsticks and turn it right on top of the paper so that they are well arranged inside the paper. Now we will take another piece of a similar size and place it on top. The next thing we will use is an iron. We will pass it on top for more or less a minute so that the cut plastic rings melt. When you uncover it, you will notice that the rings will have joined together like a piece. Next, with a scissors, we will cut in a circular and uniform shape until the piece is finished. What we did works as an elegant and unique glass holder for drinks that will give a unique touch to the dining room of your house. If you made it this far, write to me the words Mesa Elegante so I will know that you watched the whole video. And remember to subscribe to our channel so you can receive more tips like this.